Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have three friends standing here with me. I have this is Winter Rainbow, and she is an Ally Blythe. I have a Shiba Juku doll and a Little Big Eyes. They're actually standing here getting ready for a video I'll be making. I do want to mention that on the 21st of this month, Deron and I are hosting a challenge for you to show us as in one, or a full collection of your Shiba Jukus. They have been popular again throughout YouTube because of the new wave that came out. So we thought it'd be fun to see everybody's. I've got Happy Mail from Ina at the Capricious Bee. If you are not familiar with her channel, you need to be. She not only, she is such a seamstress, usually for Blythe. However, she does Barbies, she does customs, absolutely beautiful work. And her mother and her sister also collect dolls, and Ina does reviews on her channel and unboxing of their dolls. It is so much fun. And I am blessed enough to have received Christmas from her. I got this after Christmas. It's been sitting here a few days, and I apologize for that, but we've had a lot going on, and I just couldn't get to it right away. We film pretty much in advance, so when something comes in, it may not get seen for a week, but it was filmed earlier. What a beautiful card. Oh, you know, I love sparkly gold. Woohoo!
The envelope was pretty, too.
Yeah, it is. A warm holiday wish for peace, cheer, and happiness, and all the best for the coming new year. It is to both of us from Ina and Tracy. Tracy is her mother. She collects mostly vintage Barbies. Oh, her collection is amazing. Greetings, Dolly friends. Thank you for all the laughs, joy, and fun you bring to the doll community. My mother and I put together some things for your dolls, and we hope you enjoy them. Joy and holiday cheer to you, Ina and Tracy, 2024. I'm sure it still counts in 2025. I'm excited about this. Ina has sent me an item or some items before, and oh my goodness. Okay, Bible Bus Pass, thank you. We are Christians. And the Dainty Seamstress card. Love that. This is very cool. Thank you, Ina. Let's see, I like, double wrapped. Oh, I love gingerbread men. Love, love, love it.
The Santa Claus, that's really a vintage
look to that. I like that. I like the pink mixed in with Christmas. I like pink mixed in with anything, just about. Pink is my favorite color, and the brighter and louder, kind of like me.
Song when you said that.
Yep,
I
yep.
like pink with everything.
Yep. Oh, thank you. What a beautiful little dress. I love that fabric. This will not, that is beautiful. Oh, look at this. Thank you so much. That's a necklace for me. And the little Debbie's Christmas cake. Isn't that cute? Did you make these, Ina? That looks like something clever you would do. Let's try that on my Shiba Juku doll. Before I put this on her, I just wanted to show you how beautifully lined this outfit is. It's front, back, center, inside, outside. Ina's amazing. Just amazing. Let's see. Well, it's a little short on her, but we're going to show it anyway because I want to show how versatile these outfits are for different dolls. Now she needs, and happen to have, I'm working on, although those might be short, I'm working on jeans to see how, legging jeans, to see how they fit several dolls. I'll have that YouTube video coming up, but look at that is so cute. A top on her, a dress for her. I love this Ina. I love the print and everything, and look, her little shoes match. Thank you so much, and this is really cool. Really cool. This is going in my Christmas And I will wear this early next year. I love this. Thank you so much. Go by Ina's channel and take a look at the beautiful, beautiful work she does. And Tracy's collection is, oh, it's gorgeous. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.